Myntri Rangbah Khuborjylla konrat ke Samla ha kesengi palai ula pelait paitba deki pautli ki kali pulit ha kejingyalang kebelalong ha police officers mess kabadon ha golfling Shillong. Kejing pelait paitba yakini ki kali pulit kalong ban pynkhlain shushu i kejing treikam ka tnad kena bikin la ban ai kejing syakri ke bakham paka ki paitba. Ladon lang hakani kesengi naduk ke Director General of Police kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ki he sarkar bat kumju ki he pulit na lor kiwi.
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outposts and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.
So also
sworn in Assam, and therefore let a few days pass. I will communicate with Honorable Chief Minister Assam, and we will definitely take the discussion forward soon. Thank you. The attack, any kind of violence, is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable, and the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party, and we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop, and we must continue to work together as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur.